I am in Party City. Buy one, get one free right now. Squishies. Buy one, get one free. Great for stocking stuffers. Tattoos. Nail pins are $17 here. Oh, look it. We found something really cool. Ooh, Clue. Card game. $5. Trouble. I love Trouble. Okay, look how cool.
Those are neat.
These are going to be $6.
This little King Koopa is so cool.
Oh, look at this Mario. He's like Pearl.
I think this is cute.
Which one?
The little Koopa Troopa.
Oh yeah, that one is cute. Oh, it's Mario.
Look at his hat though.
I got eyeballs. Oh my gosh. Look at $10 plushies. What is his name again?
Boo.
Yeah. I always spell at this one part of the game. I always spell at it.
Where you have to look at them. If you turn your back, they come out.
Yeah. Oh my gosh. How cute. And hatchimals are going to be $12. They're hatch buddies. Legos here are $20 pretty much. Fantastic Beast, Harry Potter, and Lego City. Oh, that's not the toy section. Where's the toys? Oh look, they got games now. Wow. 25. Giggle Wiggle. Okay, Chow Down is going to be 20.
That looks like a mess.
That is 17. Kerplunk. I had that game. $20. I didn't even know they had games here. Soggy Doggy is 20. Wow. $5. Same price as TJ Maxx and Marshalls. And you have Teeny Ties, Beanie Boos, a Mickey Mouse. $5. Magnet Activity Set. 5 3-pack paint set. And they also have Frozen and Mini. More $5. Paw Patrol. Beanie Boos or Teeny Ties. And what is that one? Little Mermaid? No. Princess of Avalor, right?
Yeah,
Elena. And then Little Mermaid Flounder. I love Flounder. He's my favorite. Fortnite Tomato Head. He is going to be $10. Let me see if I can open him.
These look almost like the little Nindroid figures.
10. Moonwalker. And who is that? Zoe?
Oh,
hey, she looks like somebody from
Sugar Rush.
Yeah. Sugar Rush. SUGAR, right?
Yeah.
Okay, more Fortnite. 2 mini. These are going to be $6. Look at that tomato guy. Love Ranger. Okay, I'm gonna open him. More Fortnite. Dark Voyager. I think all of this is Fortnite. 10.
We walked through the mall and there's nothing Fortnite stands.
Cuddle Team Leader. And we have Raptor and Mary. This one's kind of cool. I don't know why.
Yeah, he's cool.
Like a mean gingerbread. Reminds me of Krampus, like the mean one.
Yeah.
Oh, we got more down here. Rex. Skull Trooper and Ghoul Trooper. Oh my gosh. Okay, those are going to be extra stocking stuffers. Not bad. Hair Adorables are $15. Fingerlings are $15. Harry Potter wand collection. Yeah, they're like mini wands. They're $6.
Told her daughter she could use these with her American Girl dolls because they're like the right size.
20 stack game. Mushy are $4 here. Look how tiny. Oh, it is going to be the Charm Fizz. Okay, throw it in water and then you get the surprise. $6. It's kind of expensive here. Oh my gosh. Smushy Mushy is $12 here. Wow. Well, $2 more than Walmart. But Walmart right now they're like 7 something.
These are cheaper than that.
Stickers are $1.
Those are $4.
Well, you only get one. They broke them up.
I mean, still, if you put 3 together, it's 12 instead of, what was it at Walmart, 18 or 30?
Yeah, I think it was like 28 or 18. We saw the 3-pack of this in Walmart. Can't believe how expensive it is. But $4 here, he's right. You could buy 4. There's all the colors.
In there.
I really don't know what they are. It's like a
squishies
surprise.
Or just little doll or like little quarter machine toys or whatever.
$5 Simpsons. I got Marvel. Oh my gosh. Smashers. $4.
That's cool. What's in a carrier?
Like a pound puppy.
That's
but it's not.
$6.
Sonic the Hedgehog. 5. More Stitch. 5. Shopkins. Kawaii squeezies are $3. Okay, not bad. And of course, they got lots of like these Beanie Boos. He's 5. And a Minion. Banana. BB-8. Peppa Pig. And they got My Little Pony. Little Mermaid. Trolls. And Paw Patrol. And look, Yo Gabba Gabba. I see Muno. He looks like a little coin purse, Muno. Oh my gosh, look at Mike. If that was a coin purse, I would buy that. I think that's cute.
Spin Ghoulie mishap here.
Oh yeah, those are funny, right? Kind of annoying. Very annoying. $2.99 down here. A velvet Groot. You know what it looks like? Badminton. You know the badminton? That's funny. They have Sesame Street, Batman stuff. Here's another Groot. He looks funny. Groot, Big Bird, Cookie Monster, a little cat taco. Okay, behind me. Okay, $5. These are really cute. The mermaid ones I never seen here. They're 5. They make noise. And all of this area is $5 for the beanies. Beanie Boos. Really cute. My daughter used to have some of them. Oh, look at this one. He's 5. Shimmies are $5. Apparently, these you can smell. 5. Strawberry. What is that? Like a carrot cake or something? Cola. And we got jelly. Cheesecake. Watermelon or strawberry. These are gonna be 5. Okay. $5. Some are 4. Keychains. We got pizza, lip, the emojis. Those are 5. Really cute stuff. Extra gifts for somebody who pops up in your home. $5 right here. Lava slime, unicorn slime. Okay, these are gonna be 3. I've seen them in Walmart, but in Walmart they're like really, really dirty. Very stretchy. I wish they would come in a package, but they don't. And it does rip very easily. Okay, $5. What is this one? Water squeezables. Okay, you squeeze them and that might pop. I don't know. So 5. They used to have tons of lip balm here. I don't see it anymore. All of these are 5. Pillows, a cactus. $3. Little keychain plushies. Little Pop-Tart is cute. What is this one? Candy and food. Emoji, $6. Oh man, you know what? They don't have their lip balm. Party City used to carry quite a bit of a lip balm. And over here is, this could be as fillers, if you're doing stuff for extra children that come over. Look at this pack of Putty. It's gonna be $5. Not bad. Different to choose from. Little popping toys. Kind of funny to see this stuff here because when you go to a pizza place and they want you like 25 tickets for Airhead. I was like, you know how much it costs to get tickets? So that was kind of a rip-off. And they got a big bag of rubber ducks and unicorn ducks at $10. And what'd you find?
My Christmas present. That's what I'm getting.
Yeah, rock candy. That is going to be his Christmas present. He loves rock candy.
$15.
Wow. Okay, they're closing here, so I gotta go. They made their announcement when I kind of walked in, even though I feel like I have plenty of time. But you know, they're all young kids that work here and they want to go home. 2 for $1, some. Alright, you guys, that is it. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see all of you in the next one. Oh my gosh, my daughter likes this stuff. I know, it's so weird.